What do you think you will be doing when you are 70 years old? If I am 70 years old, I will be play T-ball. It is because I like to play T-ball and my friends like T-ball too. Also, my other reason is I can relax to play T-ball. My first reason is I like to play T-ball. It is because my family like baseball and T-ball. And my father and sister teach me how to play T-ball. Also, I play T-ball, I can reduce stress. But if I lose, I get a lot of stress. So I very focused to play T-ball. My second reason is my friends like T-ball too. It is because my classmate is good to T-ball. And my friend is T-ball team, so I can play T-ball with her. Also, I can learn T-ball to her, but she has mistakes often. My third reason is I can relax to play T-ball. It is because if I win the T-ball game, I can reduce stress. Also, if I get point, my feel is very happy. In conclusion, if I am 70 years old, I will be play T-ball. It is because I like to play T-ball and my friends like T-ball too. Also, my other reason is I can relax to play T-ball. Thank you for listening to my presentation.